Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonj. Today I want to share important and tragic news from the Tonj East County in Warrap State, South Sudan. Between May 28 and May 29, 2025, communal violence erupted in the area, resulting in the deaths of at least 62 people, including 20 women. Additionally, 36 others were injured during the clashes. The violence caused widespread destruction. Several houses were burned to the ground, property was looted, and more than 30,000 families were displaced, forced to leave their homes and seek refuge in neighboring areas. The conflict involved two communities, the Luashjang and Jalwao. The reason behind this outbreak of violence are currently unknown. The government of Warrap State strongly condemned the killing of innocent people and the destruction of properties. Officials have urged all parties involved to stop further escalation and return to peace. The state government also expressed its commitment to investigating the root cause of this violence and ensuring that those responsible are held accountable. The clash have created a critical humanitarian situation. Many families are displaced and in urgent need of assistance, including shelter, food, and medical care. Humanitarian actors and the national government have been called upon to assess the need of affected communities and provide support to help those impacted by the violence. Communal violence, cattle raiding, and revenge attack are unfortunately common in Warrap State and other parts of South Sudan, contributing to instability and suffering among the people. Efforts to maintain peace and harmony are crucial to prevent further loss of life and displacement. This tragic event is a reminder of the ongoing challenges faced by many communities in South Sudan. It is important to raise awareness, support peace-building efforts, and provide humanitarian aid to those affected. Thank you for watching and sharing this message. Please keep the victim and displaced families in your thought.